Who is the keeper of a dog for purposes of liability in Massachusetts? Good afternoon. I'm Neil Burns. I'm a lawyer here at 6 Beacon Street, along with my partner, Roshan Jain. We represent innocent victims, people who are victims of dog attacks, and this happens a lot. Dog bites, could even be a dog knockdown case where a friendly dog knocks someone over and they get badly injured. I've been doing this for over 37 years, and we've had a lot of dog bite cases, a lot of dog knockdown cases. But one of the questions that comes up sometimes is who's the keeper? Typically, the owner and the keeper are the same person. But sometimes the owner of the dog leaves the dog with a friend, a relative, a landlord, even a commercial establishment could be a keeper of a dog. And it can get complicated. And of course, the insurance defense folks, the insurance companies, the insurance defense lawyers push back whenever and wherever they can. And they're certainly going to push back if the person responsible, the person that you're suing, is questionable as a keeper. And there's lots of cases that have come down over more than 100 years on who's the keeper in Massachusetts and in other states. And it really comes down to the facts. We could go into every case and what each judge said about each different situation. But it comes down to the facts. Who is really responsible for the dog? Who is the keeper of the dog? Could it have been the landlord? Could it have been an employer? Could it have been an employee keeping an employer's dog? There's a lot of facts that drive the answer to this question. If you're a victim or someone in your family is a victim of a dog bite, a dog knockover, a dog attack, give us a call. We have the experience. We've had lots of dog cases over the years. And again, it's fact-driven. You need someone to talk to the witnesses. You need to file suit if the insurance company is pushing back on it and get the witnesses to come in. And we can show what we can with as much information as we can. And the insurance companies usually will, at some point in time, understand that we're going to be able to prove what we need to prove in court. In that case, you can settle the case. Or you try the case, in which case you bring in the witnesses and you show that that person was the keeper of the dog. You show that that person was responsible for the dog. That person was feeding the dog. That person was taking the dog for walks. A jury's going to say, yeah, that sounds like a keeper of a dog. It's not someone who was holding a dog while someone went into a store, typically. It's someone who was watching out for the dog, who was looking after the dog's welfare, who was, in the words, to paraphrase the court, who was doing what the dog owner would have done if the dog owner was there. If you're a victim, call Burns and Jain. It's a free initial consultation, 617-227-7423. Thank you.